Welcome to the CryptoPie channel. Today I will talk about the new INX exchange. For registration you can get $20 bonus. For receiving the bonus you need to verify on the exchange and make a trade turnover of $100. If you invite your friend and he fulfills the same conditions, you and your friend will get a $20. So let's move to registration and I'll show you how to do that. Let's go! Follow the link that I left in description at this video. Enter your email and password. Agree with the rules. And click to join. Next you need to identify the person. Enter your name, surname. Choose the date of birth. Next, enter your address. Then you need to enter your number. After that you need to upload your document. I'm downloading the ID card. It is the easiest for me. Then you need to download a confirmation of your address. I was just making a bank statement. Receipts are also suitable if your name is listed there, but with the bank the easiest. Then we provide information about yourself. You can tap anything here. It doesn't affect to continue to use the platform. And send. Next you need to agree with the rules. And then account will send for verification. The verification in this exchange takes a long time, so you will have to wait. It was about 2 weeks for me. Next you need to replenish the exchange for some money. To make a trade turnover of $100, I threw $25 into the LTC through Binance. Once the funds come, you can do the trade. Go to the Trade tab. Choose a trading couple. In my case it is LTC USDT. Choose the market. Click to sell. Enter the amount and sell. Buy again after that. In my case, to make a trade turnover $100, you had to do this operation 3 times. After that, go to the referral program tab and see that bonuses are already in your account. Withdraw them to the main account. The bonus is already on your main balance. Now you can withdraw these funds. I will do it in LTC, because the commission for it is the smallest. For withdrawing funds, you need to connect two-factor authentication. I do this with the OC app. Link to the app I will leave a description for this video. Then I insert the address from my Binance exchange. I enter the amount and withdraw my money. Enter the two-factor authentication code and also confirm the operation by mail. Click to confirm. Successful. The money will be on my Binance in a couple of minutes. Overall, this is a great way to increase your deposit. But note that verification takes a very long time. Usually in other exchange verification takes up to a day, and here it can be a week or 2, maybe even more, but you don't lose anything. It is worth to try. And I also want to remind you that I have my own Telegram channel, in which I publish information from the world of cryptocurrencies. I will leave a link to the channel in the description to this video. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you in new videos.